Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share two overnight rice hair growth spray recipes. One is using cooked rice water and the other is using soaked rice water. Both these recipes greatly help with hair growth. We use rice water regularly for both skin and hair care at home. Rice water is especially amazing for our hair. Regularly using it on the hair makes the hair smooth and strong. It also helps with hair growth and it gives a nice shine to a hair. My grandma used to mix hair wash powder with rice water for hair wash regularly. The reason it is so effective is because rice water is rich in vitamins and minerals and it is also rich in antioxidants, thus nourishing both the scalp and the hair. To make rice water, boil the soaked rice in a pot with more amount of water than you would normally add. Avoid salt. The thickness of the rice water will depend on the amount of excess water added to the rice for boiling. If you prefer a thicker rice water, add only little amount of excess water than you would normally add to cook rice. You can use any variety of rice that you have at home. Once cooked well, remove from the fire. Now strain out excess water in a pot. To make the rice water spray, I prefer to add a hair growth promoting herb while it is still hot. Here I have added fresh neem leaves. This helps treat all the scalp problems, from scalp inflammation to itchiness. But depending on where you're staying, you can use any hair growth promoting herb that you get in your place easily. Some of the other good options are Brahmi, Bringraj, curry leaves, rosemary and henna. Add the leaves while the rice water is still hot. This will help the herbs release its essence into the rice water. If the rice water has turned cold, you can also reheat it again and then add the herbs. You can also pound the herbs slightly before adding too. Let the neem leaves steep till the rice water turns cold. Once the rice water turns cold, strain out the water. To use, either spray or take some in your hands and apply it all over the scalp. You can leave it on overnight. But if you don't want to, you can wash it off after an hour. You don't need to use a shampoo after using this hair growth spray. Wash and soak the rice in filtered water for an hour and then strain. After straining, you can also ferment it for 24 hours. This will make it even more effective. To the strained rice water, add in a teaspoon of cold pressed castor oil. Don't add too much of castor oil, else you'll find it very difficult to wash it off your hair as it is very sticky. Now add in 4 to 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. Mix well with a whisk. Once mixed well, transfer to a bottle and store it in the fridge and use regularly. To use, spray it all over the scalp and hair. Wait for half an hour to an hour and then wash it off using a mild shampoo and then condition your hair. Both soaked rice water and cooked rice water can be fermented and used for these recipes. It will make them very effective. Choose any one of these two recipes and use regularly to see good results. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.